Encountering the 0x80043103 error? Fear not. Follow these 5 simple steps to resolve it swiftly and smoothly. Let's dive in. Press Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box, type services.msc, and press Enter to open the Services window. Find the Windows Search service, right-click on it, then select Properties from the drop-down. Choose Disabled from the Startup option, and click on the Stop button to quit its process. Restart your PC and see if the error persists. Left-click the Start button, type PowerShell, and click Run as administrator. Click Yes on the User Account control prompt. Type the following line and press Enter. Remove item path of the folder or file. Recurse, force. You're to copy the file path from File Explorer and paste it into the folder or file entry path. If it doesn't work the first time, restart your PC and repeat the steps. Click the Start button and type Control Panel, then open it. Click on the Windows Defender Firewall option. Select the Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option from the left pane. Go to the Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings, then click the radio buttons for the Turn Off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended option. Restart your PC and try deleting the file prompting the 0x80043103 no error description. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.